Oh, is this rolling? Welcome back. So today we're going to make something different, and I know that many of you are waiting for this, and I made this video just for you. Shout out to all those bread lovers over there. Alright, we will be making bread, not just one but two flavors of bread. Make sure you stay tuned until the end. So let's go. Here's the ingredients. First of all, let's start with wet ingredients. Warm water, full cream milk, butter. I will put the exact measurement on the details down below. So we have sugar, chocolate chips, cocoa powder or chocolate powder, cheese. I forgot to tell you, we are making chocolate buns and cheese buns. But this is the ingredients of chocolate buns, and don't be surprised, there's cheese. I'll explain it to you later. Salt, instant yeast, chocolate. This is my wife's favorite. Hi wife. M&M's milk chocolate. She wanted me to put this inside the bun. And this is my personal favorite, tiramisu, Barrel's tiramisu. Else, flour. Make sure to see the exact measurement down below. Of course, you can't bake without these trusted measuring cups and measuring spoons. You will also need this weight scale. Thank you, my love. And few towels. Later, you will see how to use these towels. So, without further ado, let's start. See ya. Okay, here are the ingredients. And first of all, let's remove all accessories. We don't want those flour in your accessories. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Just mix in all the dry ingredients. Salt, sugar, chocolate powder, and later on cheese. I want to put in these cheese because I discovered that if you add cheese on your bread, whatever flavor it is, just the right amount, it will make your bun soft and moist. Instant yeast, we need 2 1/4 teaspoon. So in baking you have to be precise, or else you will. So 2 1/4 teaspoon. It's part of baking, making a mess. So put in your wet ingredients, liquid ingredients. Put in the butter. Okay, make sure your butter is in room temperature, so whenever you knead the bread, it will mix very well. And then put in the water and the milk. Okay, make a big hole in the middle and try to cover it up. It's up to you how you mix it. Okay, and just mix it. Try to mix everything well. Mix it until you can't mix it with your spoon anymore. So that's the time you have to start kneading. Mix it with your spoon, and when you can't mix it with your spoon anymore, it's time to knead it. Okay, so it's hard for me to mix it. Alright, I'm having a hard time here. And I will now start to knead it. Make sure you get all those good stuff in there. Okay, put this aside. And let's try to put this all together. Okay, so if you think you mix it well, just flat it and put the chocolate chips inside. Try to knead and mix all that stuff in there. There we have it, our nice chocolate dough. We will rice this for about 1.5 hours. It should be double its size. Alright, so include those chocolate chips. Okay, prepare a separate bowl. Put in oil. Just grease the surface so when our dough rises, it will not stick to the bowl. And then there you go. So just put in this, looking good at the center. And this, in this part, we will get our towel and dump it with water. Oh, and just cover it. Cover and store it to a room temperature dark room to let those yeast do its job. Okay, so we'll be right back and we're gonna make the cheese bun batch. Okay, and set the timer for 60 minutes. So you won't forget, you don't over rice. You don't want your bread to over rice because it will be airy. Okay. Hey Google, set timer for 1 hour. Okay, after 1 hour and 30 minutes, this is our chocolate. And now, let's put this aside first. We need a pan, right, and a baking paper. Make sure put oil so that the paper will stick on the pan like that. Well, we are using M&Ms and tiramisu. Ready your weighing scale, and each buns should be at least 50 grams. I want I want an even portion of the buns so it will cook at the same time. So there I go, 50, 51, 50, 51. Okay, and yeah, roll it. I just saw it in YouTube how to roll it. So just roll it on your hand and roll it on the table like this. Oh wait, let's flat it out and put the M&Ms inside. Okay, try to roll it and make sure there's no air inside, like that. Okay, so we have our first one. Okay, here it is. Second rise, 40 minutes, and preheat your oven to 175 Celsius. While you rice it, just cover it with the cloth, same cloth that you used, and you should be good. Okay friends, here it is, and baking for 20 minutes or so until cooked to 175 Celsius. Alright, so yeah, let me get the oven. Alright, and just put it in. Alright, see you. Okay, here's the gooey.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.